Hello everyone, I am Dilaksan. Let's start with an introduction to green technology in electrical and computer engineering. Green technology means using engineering principle to design products that save natural resources, reduce pollutions, and support sustainability. It is crucial because of challenges like climate change and resource depletion. Green technology focus on clean energy sources like solar and wind, which are renewable and unlimited. The main goal of green engineering are to reduce environmental impact and promote renewable energy. It is also an economical opportunity to encourage innovation and creating green jobs. Finally, the role of electrical engineering is very important. They design and develop everything from energy efficient microchips to smart power grids. In short, green engineering is about using technology to create a cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable future.
Thank you, Jackson. So I'm Dias BRST under the registration number EG 2020-389. So let's talk about the energy efficiency and the green computing. So this is about doing more with less energy. So one application is solid state lighting. So LEDs we use nowadays use up to 80% less energy than the traditional incandescent bulbs that we used in early days, and also the high efficiency motors. So using variable frequency drives in industrial motors to precisely control speed and power drastically to cutting edge energy base is one of the applications we use nowadays. And also let's talk about the green computing and the sustainable electronics. So one application is efficient hardware. So designing low power processors like ARM chips in smart sports nowadays that deliver high performance with minimal energy flow, and also sustainable data centers. So these facilities consume massive amount of power, and also green strategies, which includes advanced cooling systems, server virtualization to reduce physical hardware. So also these powers centers with renewable energy. So that's all about the energy efficiency and green computing part. So thank you.
Thank you, Saranga. I will be talking about electric vehicles and energy storage, which are important for today's green technology. Let's start with electric vehicles. Electric and computer engineering is very important in electric vehicles, focusing on three main parts. First, the battery management system is like the brain of the battery. It checks the battery's health, charging and discharging to keep it safe and long lasting. Next, electric motor control change battery power into movement. This makes the car run smoothly and use less energy. Finally, onboard charging system. Let us charge electric vehicles easily wherever we are. Now, storage systems are big batteries, usually lithium ion. They store extra energy from solar or wind power and release it when needed, and keeping electricity steady. The new idea is vehicle to grid technology. Parked electric vehicles can give electricity back to the grid during peak times, acting like a small power station. So, electric vehicles and energy storage are changing how we travel and use energy, making our future cleaner and better. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Now I will be talking about how the Internet of Things or IoT helps make our planet greener. IoT connects small sensors and devices to the to the internet to collect real-time data about our environment. In smart agriculture, sensors measure soil moisture and nutrients, so farmers use just the right amount of water and fertilizer. This preserves resources and reduce pollution. For air and water quality, cities use sensors networks to track pollution and find its sources, helping create cleaner and healthier communities. IoT also helps in wildfire conservation. GPS trackers and drones monitor endangered animals and stop poaching without disturbing nature. Besides that, we need sustainable electronics to cut down on e-waste. This means designing products that are easier to repair, recycle, and made with eco-friendly materials. Rules like ROHS also help reduce toxic substances like lead and mercury. Overall, an IoT and green technology work together to protect nature and build a clean future. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This slide is about how technology is improving renewable energy and making our power system smarter. First, in solar power, engineers are designing better photovoltaic cells like PERC and bifacial panels, which capture more sunlight. Smart inverters then convert the energy from DC to AC efficiently. In wind power, advanced control systems help turbines adjust to wind speeds and direction, so they can generate the maximum energy possible. Now, to manage all this clean energy, we use the smart grid, a digital intelligent electricity network. It uses IoT sensors, automation, and two-way communication to control electricity flow in real time. The smart grid helps combine solar energy and wind energy smoothly, reduces energy waste, and support demand response where people can lower their usage during peak hours to keep grid stable. In short, renewable energy and smart grids together make our power systems cleaner, smarter, and more efficient. Thank you.
Let's now look at the current challenges, the future possibilities, and finally the conclusion of green technologies in electrical and computer engineering. The first major challenge of this green technology is high initial cost. Implementing a renewable system and green infrastructure often require large upfront investments, which discourage the widespread adoption of these green technologies. Material sourcing issues. The extraction of key materials like lithium and cobalt, and also essentials for the batteries, bring both ethical and environmental concerns. E-waste management. As technology evolves, disposing and recycling old devices, solar panels, and the batteries sustainably has become a serious challenge. Now, if we look at the future of the green technology, the future is bright and green. The artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a crucial role in optimizing power grids, predicting energy demands, and enhancing battery performances. Also, the next generation materials like perovskite solar cells, solid-state batteries will push the energy efficiency and sustainability to next levels. Together, these inventions, the green technology will make green engineering more efficient, affordable, and accessible across industries. Finally, for the conclusion, green technology is not just a specialized branch, it represents the future of electrical and computer engineering. As engineers, we hold the responsibility and opportunity to design, build systems that led to a cleaner, smarter, and sustainable for planet and for the other generation to come. Thank you.